Hello, Teresa Tree out here at our Global Family Farm, April 3rd, and today we are doing the right thing to cover up our cover crops. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, so this whole field was cover crops. My husband, bless his heart, came out here and mowed it all down, including way over here as well. And so that added basically, nitrogen and proteins to the soil. And that's what I like to make the analogy of, is legumes being like proteins. And now we're taking the tarps, covering it up so that it'll decompose in place. And in about a month, 3 to 4 weeks, we shall plant in here. Just utilizing what I already have, which is these tree stumps, to keep the tarp down, and then I'll put another tarp. Okay, so here's a couple tarps, just keeping it down with some lumber. And the tarps are dark color, so that helps heat up the soil, keeps the sunlight out, so whatever underneath is going to die back, including weeds. And the cover crop was waist high. That was all super tall right there, and we just chopped it up, and it's just all little tiny pieces. It creates a good home for the worms. Also underneath this tarp, when I take them off, it's just going to be teeming with life, because you got the greens. They're going to break down, provide food for the worms. You got the browns, which is all the plant material that becomes dry, and so it's like composting in place. You got your green and your browns, and then we have our life all underneath this tarp. And this is done in a larger scale too. It's called occultation, and they have big tarps covering like a whole acre or half acre at a time. This is done to keep the weeds down, to help compost the cover crops. Then when you take these off in a month or so, you're ready to plant. It's really amazing.